Hey guys, welcome back and hope you're having a great week. And this week we're making one of those classic dishes, chile con carne, that I'm giving it a delicious Venezuelan twist, and it's a lot healthier too than the original recipe. So let's go and get started. So the first thing that we need to do is blend the onions, garlic and peppers into a smooth marinade. Once this is done, set aside and let's get the meat browning. To make it super lean, I'm using turkey breast that I've spiced up. Of course, you can use minced beef or a mix of beef and pork, but it won't be as lean as using turkey breast. Because turkey breast has very little fat, you need to separate the pieces using a wooden spoon. It takes a little bit of time, but it's definitely worth it. Once the turkey is brown, add the onions, garlic, and pepper mix. For a traditional Venezuelan flavor, I'm adding dried Venezuelan sweet chilies that I'm rehydrating in a little bit of water. If you don't have Venezuelan sweet chilies, you can use any sweet chili or hot chili, whether it's dried or fresh. Then add the tomato passata to the chicken, the stock with Venezuelan rum. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Add a little bit more of oregano, hot paprika, and the Venezuelan sweet chilies. And instead of using kidney beans, which is the traditional bean to use for chile con carne, we're using black beans because we're doing it Venezuelan style. Once you add the beans, leave it to cook for 35 to 40 minutes at medium temperature, stirring every now and then. When the chile con carne has thickened, it's done. And you might think that making it with turkey breast would be bland, but The meat and the sauce are super seasoned and absolutely flavoursome without the fat that pork or beef would add to the dish. It is absolutely delicious. You've got to try to make this at home. And I like to serve chile con carne over white rice that I cook using my oven method. If you haven't seen that video recipe, go and check it out. I'll leave you the link in the description below, and it's up here as well. It's a foolproof way of making rice in the oven that will come out loose and fluffy every time. Once I serve it, I like to decorate it with a little bit of chopped parsley. In this case, I'm just adding a little leaves of mint. I just think it looks beautiful. And this is my super lean chile con carne Venezuelan style with rum. Also, this dish, it's even more flavorsome the next day. So it's great when you're cooking in batches or cooking for a crowd. And as always, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share. Please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions about the recipe, leave your comment below. Don't forget you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest as Terruno Food. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Buen provecho!